Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is such an exciting video because it is officially fall. It is in my book because once Starbucks releases their pumpkin spice latte, it's fall. I mean, argument, if you have one, I'll wait. Yeah, so today I'm going to be playing with some goodies. It's kind of like a chit-chatty, you know, I don't want to say get ready with me, but like it's just like I'm gonna be chatty. It's like a chatty tutorial basically. Anyways, before I go off into a tangent, let's go ahead and jump right into this video because I'm actually pretty excited to use some of this stuff. Brows are done, and moving on, what I'm gonna do now is my eyes. Ooh, girl, the mark of Buddha. Oh Lord, but it's okay. So first I'm going to prime my lids using the stuff I always use, which is the NARS Soft Matte Creamy Concealer. I'm using this because I don't really use eyeshadow primers anymore because I just never could use, I never really wanted to use them ever, really. I tried them once before, and I think the one that I tried was the MAC Paint Pot and Laying Low. And although, yeah, it was a skin tone color, it was very drying, like super drying. Like I wouldn't even be able to do this far in because that shit used to dry so fast. So I'm taking that, and now I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm just going to blend that in. I still set my concealer on my eyes because I don't know, I just like to do that. I just feel like it's better. It doesn't crease as fast. I'm just setting it with some powder at this point. Okay, so going right into this palette, I think I'm gonna start off with a more neutral color. Because they don't have any names, so I'm gonna start off with this color right here, this one right here, just to get some smooth transition in my crease and get started. Oh, let's go ahead and get this popping. I just don't like the way it smells like chalk. It smells like, it really does smell like chalk. But it's the fall and I'm really wanting to do some warm orange neutrals colors. Fallout is real, but it's packing some good pigment so far, so I'll blend that into my crease. Make sure I can be seen doing what I'm doing. Not to mention I have to keep an eye on the camera because the shit likes to just stop working. But it's just not time yet to try to buy a new camera. It's just not time. So, lashes are on, moving on to face. I'm gonna first use the Urban Decay. I'm honestly almost done. I'm just trying to get rid of it because I've had it for so long. Let that soak in my skin real well. And then now I'm going to be going and using the Tatcha primer that I was raving about, been raving about, and will continue to rave about. This stuff makes my makeup last so long, especially around my nose. And I'm not joking. Yep, get that in there nice and good. So I've been watching a lot of like the reaction videos to the owner of Makeup Geek's video, like about the truth about community, the beauty community. Don't get me started on that. and this is just coming from me as someone who watches, a consumer. Basically, I'm a consumer. I have stopped necessarily feeling pressured into buying all the new stuff that I was watching, because all it was talking about was all this new stuff, and it just made me want to buy more and more and more and more. And I was like, you know what, there has to be a point. I don't got the damn money to be doing that. Like, no, mama needs to save money. So I stopped necessarily buying more and more and more and more, and I started kind of gearing towards other channels that wasn't necessarily just about consumerism and buy, when the person who I was watching was getting sent that stuff for free, and they're making money off of the people that was buying it, which is great. It's the marketing. Kind of stopped watching the channels that I felt pressured to buy stuff with, and I started watching more channels that are just wanting to talk about it and who like to just use stuff. So next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage, and this is the jam. I'm going to be using that on my Kokie 618 brush. But yeah, like, anyways, so I agreed with her. Like, I understand it's a job, and I understand that, you know, they want to be compensated. I mean, so I've geared away from those channels, and you can just tell who's genuine and who's not genuine. And I just agreed with everything she said. People are charging outrageous prices to record a video. Like, I can't. Like, some great YouTubers like Jordan Cheyenne, I love her channel. Hers is more lifestyle. Juicy Jazz, she has been my favorite. I've been talking about her since I started my YouTube channel. And then you have Learning to Be Fearless. I love her. And you know, just other channels, Gabriella Fortunato. I mean, I can name them off because those are the people with less subscribers, but they have the best freaking content, I guess you can say. Like, I love it. Next, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I literally just got it and I haven't stopped using it. I've been really raving about the Ulta Super Coverage, like the Ulta concealer, but this stuff is good. I haven't bought a high-end concealer in I don't know how long, and this stuff is good. Ever since I found that Ulta concealer, I'm like, a high-end concealer where? Like, what do I need a high-end concealer for? But then this stuff, I'm like, oh, this stuff is amazing. So when the Rouge sale went on, I bought it. Alright, so almost done. I'm almost reaching the end of this whole thing. Now I'm going to bronze up my skin. I'm going to use the Morphe Bronzer, and this is in the one Fantabulous. Where is my favorite? There it is. And I like just mixing the two. It's like, it has like a contour and like a bronzer, but I like mixing the two. I never just do one side. So I'm just gonna pat that. And then circular motion. Honestly, like how red it is. That's so weird, I know. But I like how red it is because it actually shows up as a bronzer. Bronzer. Just warms up my skin after it looks flat. So that's when I bring it up around the forehead. And I kind of just bring it up in like a circle motion so that it doesn't look like it's only in one spot. And then I take the rest, put it under that bad boy. Now I'm going to be using the MAC Blush and Raisin. Favorite blush of all time. Put that up there. Eyeshadow always looks good after. It's crazy. Now that the blush is on, all that, I'm going to finish my eye under my eyes really fast, just so it could all bring it all together. I'm going to be using this like red color right here. All of it looks the same because damn lights are so bright. Now I'm going to do my lower lash line. So now, after all that's put together, I'm gonna do some highlighter. So I'm gonna take the ColourPop and Makeup Shayla collab, and this is in the color Pose. This is the loose highlighter. I'm just gonna place that on there. This sort of stuff is like liquid gold, and I love the rose gold. I'm not necessarily into that stock gold anymore. I love like the softer rose pink golds, and I bring that around. All right, so obviously did my highlight. I did the tip of the nose. Did the tip of the nose. For lips, I'm going to do something very neutral. I took BFF3 liner by ColourPop, which is thebomb.com, and now I'm going to use their Cream Luxe lipstick in Quickie. Go over it with our lip liner so that doesn't get lost. I'm putting a little Kylie Cosmetics and True Brown K around the lips, because this is a fall inspired look, girl, and that was not fall inspired. So now to put this all together and finish this all up, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. I actually just got this yesterday, actually, so I'm still kind of getting... So this is the finished product. Yeah, I don't really know where this turned to, but I'm feeling it. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not really sure where the video went. I know I was all over the place with what I was talking about, what I was using, what was happening. There's probably been some clips that messed up because, like I said, this camera turns off randomly, whatever, whatnot, whatever. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and comment, and then I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.